So good morning friends. Today I'm going to configure the vManage of our SD-WAN lab. Just see step by step from very beginning. I'm just going to configure. So we have to wait till we are not getting the message system is ready. Just waiting for that message. Then only we can proceed to yeah. So we got the message system ready. Now first time we have to give the username, that is admin, and the password is also admin. Now it's asking for the reset the password, so I'm just going to reset the password. It will take quite time, around 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. So just wait. Again we will receive the message, same, the system ready. Yeah, you can see now the message we received, system ready. So now we can, first of all, we'll log in. Now to the configuration. First of all, I'm just going to change the host name. Yes, system. So you can change the host name under the system configuration. So I given them, and now host name, I'm just going to keep vManage 01. Now system config, under the system configuration, what we have to define? System IP. It's a very mandatory configuration. So organization name, it is also required. So my organization name is NGTL. Now vbond. So my vbond IP is 10.110, sorry, 10.110.1.12, this IP. Then clock time zone Asia, sorry, Kolkata. Now I have to configure the interface. So it's not taken because of I not did the commit. Once I will do the commit, all changes will be applied on the vManage. So just after all configuration, I will just commit. So that then only you will see the host name will be also changed accordingly. I keep vManage 1, so it will come. So I have to configure the interface. So ETH0, it is a transport interface. So transport interface will configure under the VPN 0. So VPN 0 of in Viptela SD-WAN, it is a transport VPN. So come to the VPN 0. Then interface ETH0 IP address 10.110.1.11/24. No shut. We have to define the interface as a tunnel because of the all the control connection will be established under the DTLS tunnel. So we have to define the interface as a tunnel. So just write only tunnel interface. Then we have to allow some services, like allow service. First of all you can mention allow service netconf, allow service SSHD, allow service HTTPS, allow service ICMP. That's it. And now I have to give one default route. So just first of all define the DNS. I'm going to give the DNS as a global DNS, and then default route. 254. This one is the IP of our WAN router. So I have given the next IP as a gateway. This one. Now come to the management interface. Because of our ETH1 is management interface, so I have to configure this interface under the VPN 512. Because of VPN 512 is the management VPN of Viptela SD-WAN. So come to the VPN 512, go to interface ETH1. Here I will keep the IP from DHCP client. No shut. Commit and quit. See, I did the commit, so you will see the all changes is happened. See, vManage name, host name is also changed now, previously, and new host name. So we can see now if the vManage is got the IP address from DHCP. So command is show interface description pipe tab. Yeah, we can see the IP address is it's got the IP address 192.168.178.134. So meanwhile, first of all, we have to verify something what we did the configuration, it's correct or not. So I will check, because of I did the DNS configuration also, and the I given the default route. So I will check our vManage is able to reach to the internet or not. It should be reach to the internet. Then only we'll proceed to next configuration. So just wait. So once the whole thing will be up, then we'll start to testing, and then we'll configure the next thing. First of all, it should reach to the its gateway. So it's not reachable currently because of router is not came up properly. So just wait for some time. WAN router will come up. Just it's not reachable, still not able to reach the gateway. So just wait. Yeah, now it's getting the response from gateway. So means our WAN router is up now proper. Okay, so now we'll check it should reach to the internet also. Just a minute. Ping 8.8.8. No, why it's not getting ping? So why, just a minute. So p route, yeah. So see, we have not defined the return traffic. So here is the problem of return path. That's why vManage is not able to reach the internet, because of on internet router they don't have the any route towards the 10.10.1.11. So that's why this is not able to reach. So I have to define one route here. IP route, static route I'm going to use 0/255. You can see now it's able to reach. Now vManage is also on internet, so it was missed here the default route. Now we'll test the DNS, that is working or not. So ping google.com, it's also pinging. So our configuration is proper now. Now come to the GUI. So https://192.168.178.134. Yeah. So this is the our dashboard of vManage. You can see currently I'm not configured anything, no certificate is installed here, so it's showing invalid certificate, right? This is the symbol of certificate and it is in invalid state. So we have to configure is do the some configuration part here also. First of all, come to the setting. Here it is asking the vBond IP address. So by vBond IP address, sorry, it's organization name. So organization name is NGT. Just a minute, let me check what I defined here. The organization name, I think it's a NGT, next generation technique lab, lab. Because of organization name we have to use the same. If it will be mismatch, it will not work. So you have to use very carefully. So yeah, NGTL I used here. So ngtl.local is my domain and ngtl is our organization name. So we'll give here ngtl next gen tech lab and ngtl save. Now he's asking the vbond IP address. So vbond IP address is 10.110.1.13. See, 10 dot or 12, it's a 12, 10.110.1.12. So just you change 12, and the port number you can see here, the port number is automatic stacking. Either we have to use 1 2 3 4 6. That is done. Now it's asking for the certificate. So come to the CLI, and first of all I have to copy the certificate from the CS server as I told you. See, so dir what was the command? Dir nv ram, you can see. So I already enabled here the TFTP, so we can copy this ngtlca to the TFTP. So the command I just prepare some script, this one. Okay, just change the IP address up to use 10.110.1.15. So come to the cell mode, we cell, and you can verify it ls-l. You see, you can see it's copied. Now we have to install this certificate. So the command is request root search and install. You can refer this also, request root search and install home and the certificate name. Yeah, you received the message, successfully installed the root certificate. Okay, now we have to go to the GUI and define here the certificates. So central control certificate authorization. Proceed. Okay, yeah, here I have to fill some details like domain. So as I show you, what was the domain name? Domain name is ngtl.local. Just a minute, I'm showing. It's yeah, ngtl.local. So this one is the domain name. You can use here domain name ngtl.local. Now organization name is ngtl ngtl. Okay, city, it's New Delhi. State is also Delhi. Email, you can define anything what you want. It's not the mandatory. I given this one IN, correct. Here. It's asking the DNS, so I'm giving the DNS name, and it's alternate, so not required. Okay. Now the certificate. So this certificate we will get from. So we have to generate from the server. Come to the server, and we have to use some command conf t, and then the command is this. Okay. Then you will get the certificate one. That certificate we have to see this one. Yeah, I pasted here. Now we can import it and see. Yeah, so certificate is installed now. Now we'll generate the CS server. Yes, it's still invalid, you can see. So come to the device controller and see it's came, but it's showing not installed. Certificate is not installed. So just go to certificate controller, generate the certificate CSR. It's generated. Now we have to validate this certificate from CS server, and then we'll put the validated certificate from what we will get from CS server. So just come to the CS server. The command will this one. Come to CS server. Now this time this command will be executing not in config mode. It's okay. Now, yeah. Copy that CS certificate, paste here. Now it will be validate and give the validated certificate. So this one is validated certificate. You can see generated certificate. Just copy that certificate and come to vManage. Close it, select and install the certificate. You can see here. Just paste here. Install and wait. See, the certificate is installed successfully. Now come to the dashboard. Now you can see our invalid is 0. Certificate invalid state 0. Previously it was 1, right? So now you can see certificate is installed successfully, and device detail will be also show you. Just yeah, you can see everything is here. So our vManage onboarding has been done. In next video we'll onboard the vBot vSmart, and then we'll start to branches. So it's done now. I will show you in next video how to onboard the vSmart and the vBot. So definitely will today or tomorrow I will show you in next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel if you enjoyed this. Thank you.